Welcome to Excel Data Validation Mastery by Pharma. In this session, we're going to unlock the secret to cleaner, smarter spreadsheets. Excel can do a lot more than just store numbers. It can actually protect your data from mistakes. Let's turn your workbook into your new favorite quality control assistant. Here's what we'll cover today. We'll start by exploring why validation is such a powerful tool, then move into date and time rules, text and format controls, and numeric safeguards. After that, we'll cover how to keep data unique, use drop-down lists, and finally, maintain everything long-term. By the end, you'll be an Excel data validation master. Why validation wins? Let's kick off with why validation wins. Think of Excel as your gatekeeper. When you set up validation rules, it stops bad data before it even enters your system. No more cleanup marathons or broken reports. Prevention really is the best cure. Stop errors before they start. Validation helps you transform Excel into a proactive defender instead of a passive cleanup tool. It's like giving your spreadsheet its own immune system. Instead of discovering problems later, Excel simply blocks them at the source. That saves time and builds trust in your data. Instant rejection. Ever entered text in a number column or a wrong date? With validation, Excel catches those errors instantly. It refuses bad input right away, meaning your data quality stays strong from the start. The result: fewer downstream errors and fewer headaches. Formula integrity. When your data is clean, every pivot table, chart, and dashboard stays accurate. Validation keeps your formulas reliable by ensuring only valid inputs feed your analysis. You'll spend less time fixing broken formulas and more time making real decisions. It's peace of mind, built into every cell. The Validation Toolkit. Here's how easy it is to use. Go to the Data tab, click Data Validation, and set your rule. Add a friendly message to guide users when they make a mistake. Then just copy that cell and paste the validation anywhere you need it. In less than a minute, you've created a data protection system. Date and time rules, part 02. Now, let's talk about date and time rules. These help make sure your deadlines and schedules are always accurate. From future-only dates to weekday restrictions, you'll never see a Saturday delivery or a 2019 invoice again. Let's see how. Rule 1. Only future dates. Rule 1 is all about future-proofing your data. Using equals A1 equals today, you can block any past dates so deadlines always stay relevant. It's perfect for planning projects or setting due dates. Add a custom message like, deadline must be today or later for a friendly touch. Rule 2. Lock dates to workdays. This one's great for schedules. It blocks weekends automatically. With equals weekday, A1, 2, 6, Excel only accepts Monday through Friday. That means no more payrolls or deliveries booked on a Sunday. Clean, professional, and reliable every time. Rule 3. Constrain to one fiscal year. Keep your reports consistent with one simple rule. Equals and A1 equals date 2025 1/1. A1 equals date 2025 12/31. Make sure every date falls within 2025. No more entries sneaking into the wrong fiscal year. Your budgets and annual summaries will thank you. Text and format guards, part 03. Now it's time to guard your text fields. These rules keep things consistent, whether it's product codes, email addresses, or prefixes. You'll make your data cleaner, more searchable, and easier to work with. Let's go through a few. Rule 4. Exact text length. Some fields need fixed lengths, like zip codes or SKUs. You can use equals len, A1, equals 5 for exact lengths, or equals len, A1, equals 10 for a maximum. This keeps all your codes uniform. When your data looks clean, your systems work cleanly too. Rule 5. Uppercase only codes. Uniformity matters. Use equals exact, A1 upper, A1, to force all entries into uppercase. That way, part numbers, state codes, and product IDs always match your format. It's a small rule that prevents big headaches later. Rule 6. Must start with prefix. Sometimes, every entry needs to begin a certain way. Equals left, A1 3 equals SL dash ensures all sales IDs start with SL dash. It keeps your data easy to categorize and filter. SL001 passes, XX003 doesn't. Simple and clear. Rule 7. Basic email validation. This one's about catching those easy-to-miss typos. Use equals is number search at A1 to make sure every email contains an A. It's not full-blown verification, but it stops most bad entries. Quick, simple, and effective. Numeric safeguards, Part 04. Now, let's move on to numbers. These rules ensure your numerical data is always logical and accurate. Whether it's prices, quantities, or percentages, Excel keeps everything in check automatically. Let's take a look. Rule 8. Numbers only. Prevent #value. Errors before they happen. Equals this number, A1. Make sure only numbers are allowed in that field. Great for prices, quantities, or any numeric data. It's one of the simplest yet most powerful rules you can set. Rule 9. Whole units only. Need to count full items, not fractions. Use equals int, A1 equals A1 to block decimals. That way, 3 is accepted but 3.5 is rejected. Perfect for inventory, head counts, or pallets. Rule 10. Positive numbers only. No negative values allowed. The formula equals A10 ensures that every entry is greater than 0. It's a must for financials, pricing, and yields. Simple rule. Huge protection. Uniqueness and lists, Part 05. Next up, keeping things unique and organized. These rules ensure no duplicates sneak in, names stay clean, and drop-down lists stay dynamic. They give your users freedom, but within safe limits. Rule 11. Ban duplicate entries. Duplicate IDs can cause chaos. Equals countif, $A$2, $A$100, A2. Equals 1 makes sure each value only appears once. It's ideal for invoices, serial numbers, or employee IDs. One rule. One unique record guaranteed. Rule 12. Text only, no digits. Want to keep names free of numbers? Use a clever formula that blocks digits while allowing letters. Equals and istext A1, some product, is number, mid A1 row, indirect 1, and len A1, 1, equals 0. Now John Doe passes, but John 123 doesn't. Perfect for clean customer lists and CRM data. Rule 13. Dynamic drop-down lists. Drop-down lists make data entry faster and more consistent. Create your list in a named range, then link it with data validation list. As your list updates, so does every drop-down. It's the perfect mix of control and flexibility. Rollout and maintenance, Part 06. Now that you've built your rules, let's talk about rolling them out. Copying validation the right way saves time and prevents drift. Plus, you'll learn how to maintain everything for the long term. Rollout. Copy rules without drift. Here's the trick. Copy the validated cell, right-click your new range, and choose Paste Special Validation. That copies the rule, not the data or formatting. It's efficient, consistent, and keeps everything aligned across your workbook. Maintenance. Audit and version control. As your spreadsheet grows, keep your rules visible and up to date. Use Circle Invalid Data to spot issues instantly.